Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make flan Dominican-style. Preheat oven to a moderate temperature and prepare a water bath for steady, even baking. Caramelize sugar until it reaches an amber color and coat your mold carefully to avoid burns. Blend eggs with milks and a touch of vanilla, then strain to remove foam. Pour into the mold and bake gently until set but slightly jiggly in the center. I walk you through choosing the best ingredients for authentic flavor and texture. Start with whole eggs and consider extra yolks if you want a silkier custard. Measure milks carefully to keep sweetness balanced and avoid overpowering the caramel. A small pinch of salt and pure vanilla extract brightens the custard without masking traditional notes. I also explain how gentle mixing prevents bubbles and how straining improves the final surface. I share practical baking tips that save time and prevent common mistakes. Arrange the flan mold in a larger pan and pour hot water to create a gentle steam bath that cooks evenly. Tent the mold with foil to stop the caramel from splattering and to keep moisture in. Test with a clean knife. It should come out mostly clean with a tiny wobble in the center for perfect creaminess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.